Hi there, my name is Ian and I'm the Global Brand Ambassador for Angus Dundee Distillers. Today we're here in amongst the world's largest collection of Scotch whisky at the Scotch Whisky Experience to show you our cocktail using our Tomintoul single malt for World Whisky Day 2018. The cocktail is called the Smoky Ol Tom and it plays on the nice kind of floral and sweet notes that we get in our Tomintoul 10, complemented by a bit of rosemary, some lime juice and some sugar syrup. It's also something relatively easy to make at home because I want you guys to try and recreate this as well. We're going to use 2 measures of Tomintoul 10-year-olds. The Tomintoul 10 is perfect for this cocktail because it's got lovely kind of honey top notes and a little bit of floral backbone to it, which is going to work really well with the rosemary and the lime that we're using. Then 1 measure of lime juice. And then we're going to add just a couple of teaspoons of sugar syrup just to take the edge off. If you're feeling adventurous, it actually works even better with honey syrup, but you have to make that yourself. We're now going to add 2 sprigs of rosemary. We're going to muddle those gently with the cocktail, just to help release some of the oils in those rosemary sprigs. Once we've done that, we're going to add a little bit of ice, and we're going to stir the cocktail for about 20 seconds, just to let the flavors infuse and let the whiskey mix through with the lime juice and the sugar syrup. Now for the fun part, we're going to take a sprig of rosemary and we're going to set it on fire. Washing your fingers, of course. And you want to char the rosemary enough that it smoulders, so that when you add the glass on top, it collects all that beautiful rosemary smoke. Because no one wants bits of rosemary in the teeth, we're then going to double strain the cocktail. Fill the glass with some ice. Top it with the cocktail. And finally, we're going to serve it with just a sprig of rosemary for a garnish. So here you have it, Smoky Ol Tom. Enjoy.